Essay writing help. Our mission is your success. High-quality essay on any topic. Custom written, in-depth research. Substantiated. Accurate spelling, degree-holding writers. Here at editorpaper.com, we believe in the importance of attaining academic success, which is a strong foundation for life success. Our mission is to provide students with online essay assistance, thereby enabling them to excel in the emerging creative economy. We place the highest priority on working collaboratively with students to help them achieve the competencies needed for succeeding in the academic environment and later in local and global communities. Our vision is to be the best intellectual and creative hubs for students where they can get cheap, custom essay writing services. The vision aligns with the recent shifts in the global economy and the free flow of information. We work hard to improve academic experiences of non-native English-speaking students who need our help the most, thereby strengthening the level of social engagement and contributing to the public good. There is a stark contrast between student essays and those crafted by professional writers. If you suspect that your professor will pore over your essay with a heavy heart, then use our help. Our talented writers will provide you with an essay that is truly worth reading. We strive to become your first and best choice, which is why our human resources and technologies are devoted to the provision of superb essays in a wide range of academic disciplines. Tomorrow is an essay submission deadline. Are you really prepared? You can spend another sleepless night trying to get something on paper. However, wouldn't it be more reasonable and productive to purchase a cheap, professionally written essay? Seize the chance to impress your professor and order an essay right now.
Need to write an admission essay or any other written educational work? Place your order on the Edita Paper service. EditaPaper.com is a professional online service where in a few minutes you will find a professional author for writing any educational work, from an easy essay to writing a doctoral dissertation. We are completely confidential and give you a guarantee that if the work done does not suit you, we will refund your money. Register at EditaPaper.com for free now and get a discount.